So the parameter of our concrete is the external and the internal. So here we have the thickness, we have the width. So from the concrete that we are talking about, this is the concrete in lintel. So the concrete in lintel. So we are measuring it. We are measuring it. We are casting the reinforcement in the whole of the wall. In the whole of the wall, we are doing it chain lintel. So this chain lintel, that is why we will be able to still use this external and internal parameter that we have. And this is the thickness of the lintel and the width of the lintel. So that is the three figures we are having here, which is in meter cube. So, and also we still have another thing to measure. We have our column. So we have column stand. Here we are still going to cast concrete on the column. So this column, we have this column to be, look at the column we are talking about. See the column, this column here. So we have it 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have this column. See this column. So it is concrete. The column is concrete. So here, go back to what we have. So the column height is 3.00. So and we have it. We have the one of this thickness. We have it 2. You have it 2, and we have another one of small thickness. We have it 2, which is this 2, and this one 2. So that is what we'll be seeing here. So the thickness of the big one is 0.30. Well, the width is still 0.30, and if you come to the one that is inside the wall, we have the thickness to be 0.15, and we have so you can see it for yourself. So you can see it. You can see this one here. You see that the thickness of both of them are not the same. So we have this one from here to be 0.15, while we have this one to be 0.30. So look at what we mean here. So look at what we mean here so that you understand what we mean. So here now, sorry. So let's just check what we are talking about. Let's see what we are talking about. So here we have this figure to give us 0.30. So that's what we have, and this side corner is still the same thing, 0.30. So why this one is giving us from here at this joint, as you can see, you have this one to be 0.15. So coming to here, we have this one to be 0.30, like this. So this is the thickness, 0.15. This is the thickness. Well, this is the length, 0.30. So that this 0.30 is the width. Well, the thickness is 0.15. So considering this with the height, so here we don't mention a column to be length. We mention column height, width, and thickness. That is what we measure for the column. So now, as you can see it, you are back here. So that is how I derived this, and we were able to get it. This is two columns, as you see, and this one is still 2 columns. Like as you see it from the drawing, we have it two columns. You have the 2 columns, this one and this one, and this one and this one. So that is 2 columns, two columns per each. So that is why we were able to derive it. So you say this times this times this times 2. This times this times this times 2. This is the smaller column. So that is the block that we are looking for. So now we have beam. So from beam now, we have beam. If you go back to the drawing,